Hi guys, welcome. This is Manoj Agrawal from Banking Frontiers. This Sunday I'm hosting part 2 of Pati Patni in Lockdown. We had a fun show last Sunday with three couples, and again we have three couples. So this 1 plus 3 seems to be a decent formula for us to try out. So can I ask all three lovely couples here to briefly introduce yourselves?
So I am Anup Purohit. I am a CIO with Yes Bank.
Dr. Seema Purohit. I'm a homeopathic consultant practicing. I have a son who's doing engineering. That's it, the three of us.
That's great. Thank you. Sanjay, how about you?
Hi, I'm Sanjay Narkar. I work with IDFC First and my wife Priya.
Welcome.
I'm Priya Nakkal, Sanjay's wife, and I was working with Unicorns India, and I took audit, and now I'm a happy home. And we have one son who finished his engineering in electronics and telecommunications, and now he has started working also.
Okay, great. Rahul.
Hi, I'm Rahul Dayal. I manage technology for the Hekabala Mutual Fund. My wife is with me.
I work on Amazon in companies what I work with companies like Netherlands as well. We have the lockdown and I can join. We have a daughter, 10 years old. She's in the online school.
Okay, great. So friends, welcome to Patni Patni and Lockdown Part 2. Let's have some fun. Simple as that. Okay. So I will set a series of questions with some multiple choice answers, and let's hear the participants respond to those questions. So first question is for all of you couples. Okay. As and when Corona masks become a fashion accessory, I'm going to give you four options, and you tell me which is the most likely trend. Okay. Uh, so face mask size will change according to the weather. They'll become bigger in winter and become smaller in summer. Okay, like clothes. Fashion trend number two: people will start matching their face mask with the clothes they wear. Okay. Fashion trend number three: we'll see more and more supermodels wearing trikinis. That is bikini plus a face mask, matching face mask. Okay. And fourth option: women will have a separate ward just for face masks. Okay. So Anup, you start. Unless Seema, you start.
Uh,
So if you
I
want me to repeat, you want me to repeat?
no, the matching one.
The second one.
Matching. Okay. Matching face mask with the
That
rest
has
of the
already
clothes.
started.
Okay.
That has already started because I see different kind of masks which are people are using it,
Okay.
trying to match it.
So Anup has a sharp eye for that. Okay, good.
No, that means
No, actually, yesterday we were five of us in the room, and all five of us had a different color mask. Someone had a black, I had an olive green. There was a blue mask, and there was a yellow mask, and there was a gray mask.
Mhm.
Five different mask in one room when we had a meeting yesterday.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you
when
look at doctors' masks, they all look the same. So yes, that's an observation. Priya and Sanjay.
Yes, I will also go with second option. That is,
Okay.
people will try to match their clothes with their mask. That
Okay.
is the second option in my opinion. I would like to go with.
Sanjay, you agree or you have some other option?
Definitely, from matching perspective, ladies are the best to comment on. But the fourth option is also something, will probably will be a kind of a new life. I feel, that
Okay.
separate, launching for ladies also.
For
But,
mask.
but
Okay.
in addition to the second one, I agree that
Okay.
nothing will be the preference, but I feel there will be a change in the fourth option.
Okay. So you have to start budgeting for that now. And maybe Priya can suggest what the budget should be. Let's go to second question. So we are most of us are working from home, right? and
Yeah.
obviously the home
Are
atmosphere
you,
is different.
are you Sanjay? Are you working from home?
He's going to work.
It was.
Most of us, not all of us.
Ah,
Not all of us.
so-
Right. I'm working from home. Okay. So obviously the atmosphere at home and office is different. In office is different. So my question is, what are you missing the most from the office? Okay. What kind of people are you missing the most that you have in office? And again, 4 choices. First choice is those kind of people who like to listen to a lot of gossip and who like to share a lot of gossip. Okay. Option number 2, those who do a lot of office politics. Option number 3, those who are in search of romance in the office for themselves. Okay, office is a very fertile ground for couple making. And fourth option, those who enjoy watching others searching for romance in the office. Themselves, they are not looking for romance, but they enjoy others searching and getting frustrated or succeeding, whichever. So, uh, which kind of people are you missing working at home that you had in office? The gossip guys, the politics guys, the romantic guys, or the romance watchers?
Actually, I would say it's a mix of all, except one,
Okay,
except two.
except two. Okay,
So yeah, it's actually apart from all this thing, it is kind of having meetings with, or you can call it the gossips, the first one, because when you sit together as a group,
Mhm.
you do the productive work at the same time you get into gossips as well, what's happening around. उसमें थोड़ा ऑफिस का पॉलिटिक्स भी आ जाता है, so it's basically a bhelpuri of all the four options what you are
All the
suggesting.
4 options. So you're missing all 4 people.
Yeah.
Okay, Sanjay, what is your choice?
I think second will come first. I mean those who actually spread the politics and are more interested in politics. That is the first kind of a people which I miss. Romance, I'm not because we sit in a cabin. So outside cabin, what happens really we don't know.
Okay, okay.
It is kind of a romance to understand and all. So it's first and second. Second is what I miss a lot because people anywhere, I mean, they see something. The politics is the first which comes into mind, and I miss that a lot.
Okay, okay. Question for the men. Okay, office goers. Two of you work in banks, one of you works in a mutual fund. All are highly regulated industries, and anything that has a lot of regulation has a lot of audit going on. Okay, so what I hear is a lot of these bank auditors will be visiting you at home. Okay, so now how will you deal with them is the question. Okay, so 4 choices. Uh, you'll tell your internet service provider to provide a very poor connection so that the auditors will get frustrated and not come back. Okay, so that's a technical solution to get them away from home. Uh, Second, uh, you can call all your children and their friends and ask them to do rock music practice at home so that the auditors are completely disturbed and cannot concentrate. Okay. Uh, Third option, very strict option. You will serve the auditors only tea, coffee, and biscuits, nothing more, and some water maybe. Water, tea, coffee, and biscuits. Fourth option. Okay, and this for the men. You will convince your wife that these auditors need to be serviced lavishly. And in that process, you will put in your preferred dishes into the items to be served, which you are otherwise not getting at home. So through the auditors, you will get something that you wanted. So men, what is your choice? Rock band or limited food or internet disruption?
I think I mean the first and third probably will be the combination. Because the external interface not working or internet not working,
Okay.
The where blame will come. I'm not to be blamed for not having the office audit correctly, and probably because of the lockdown and everything, we will serving only biscuit and water and uh, to get rid of him very quick.
Okay. Okay. Anu, what is the scene that for you?
द फैक्ट इज कि लॉकडाउन में उनको तो घर पे आने देंगे ही नहीं, पहली बात तो।
Okay.
तो 4 ऑप्शन तो बाद में आते हैं, पहले तो उसको घर में घुसने नहीं देंगे।
घुसने ही नहीं देंगे, पूरी तरह से सैनिटाइज कर देंगे बाहर से ही। गुड वन, गुड वन।
बट वर्स्ट केस अगर उनको आना पड़ा फॉर डूइंग द ऑडिट, आई एम नॉट श्योर किस चीज की ऑडिट करने आएंगे, बिकॉज डेटा सेंटर और टेक्नोलॉजी तो हमारी वहीं की वहीं पड़ी हुई है। मतलब ऑडिट करने आएंगे। सो इट्स आई वुड से इट्स उनको फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विल बी कि जितना जल्दी उनको भगा दें। तो कनेक्टिविटी इज द बेस्ट वन, बिकॉज कनेक्टिविटी नहीं तो तुम क्या टेस्ट करोगे, जाओ घर पे।
ठीक है। I hope auditors are not watching this show. Otherwise, they'll come prepared with their own set of solutions. ठीक है। हाँ, Rahul, can you hear us here?
Yeah, finally, I think we've been able to walk back. So hopefully we can walk now.
So shall I repeat the questions?
Yeah,
let's
because
start with-
we missed that portion.
you missed 2 questions, so I'll repeat them.
Okay.
First question is, face masks appear to be, corona face masks are likely to become a fashion accessory. Okay. So, as and when that happens, which of these 4 trends do you see happening? First trend is that the face mask will become larger and smaller depending upon the weather. In winter, they'll become larger. In summer, they'll become smaller. Second option is people will start matching their face mask color with the clothes that they're wearing. Okay. Third option is you'll see more and more supermodels wearing 3-piece trikinis, bikini plus face mask part of it. And fourth option, at least women will have a separate wardrobe just for face masks.
Okay, I think I'll leave it to the fashion designer to answer that, but yeah.
I think the first one, where it goes first in the summer and longer in the winter,
Smaller.
will
Okay.
go with fashion.
Okay. Okay. So summer is coming. So you need to buy a lot of small face masks.
Yeah, I just hope the last one doesn't happen. It's giving me a lot of
Okay. Wardrobe full of face masks.
Right,
Okay. Okay. So I was telling Sanjay, you have to prepare a separate budget for that now.
correct, exactly. And then place to keep it.
Right. Good. Good. So your second question, Rahul. So Rahul, you're working from home, right? Last few days.
At the moment, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what kind of office people are you missing the most? Okay. And here are your 4 choices. The first kind is people who do a lot of gossip and spread a lot of gossip. Okay. In the office.
Okay.
Second is people who do a lot of politics in the office politics. Third is younger people, or maybe younger and older. Why only younger? People looking for a romance in the office. Okay. And third option is, fourth option is the kind of people who are looking at other people looking for romance in the office,
Okay.
whether successfully or with difficulty. So which kind of people are you missing the most?
I guess first of all, meeting people itself, right? And that itself is totally missed. But if you ask me, I think it's a mix of everything except the third, except the second. I don't not involve myself.
Okay.
It's a mix of everything except the second. In my view.
Except, so 1, 3, and 4. Okay.
Yeah, one, two.
So that sounds like you have a very lively office, Rahul. I should visit you in your office
Of course, you should. It's great fun.
and observe all those actions fun going on. Okay.
Yes, of course, of course.
Good, good.
That's the fun of being in office, right?
Yes. So अच्छे दिन.
Correct, correct.
चलो, let's go ahead.
अच्छे दिन जल्दी आएंगे।
Jaldi
जल्दी आ
aaye.
जाए. So we did a third question. Rahul, this is for you. Since you're in the financial sector, audit is a must. It keeps happening, correct? So
Right.
now what is going to happen next during the lockdown is auditors are going to come and see you at home. Okay? And your job is at least as per your wife's wishes.
Yeah,
Your
Rahul,
job.
Rahul corrected.
अरे फिर से चला गया. ऑडिटर का नाम बोला तो चला गया.
नहीं,
आएगा
नहीं,
आएगा आएगा. ठीक है, चलेगा. We'll live with this, Rahul. So Rahul, according to your wife's wishes, you have to get rid of the auditors at the earliest.
Okay.
So you have four ways you can do that. First, you will secretly tell your internet service provider to keep disrupting your internet connection.
Okay. Before you go ahead, I promise I haven't done this today. So let's go with that.
Okay. No, the auditors are not here. We'll believe you. Okay. So interrupt connection, deliberate disruption of internet connection is option one. Second option is you call all your children's friends to come home and practice all their rock sessions, rock band, and play full volume music at home. So that can drive away some auditors. Third option, you will serve them very limited tea, coffee, and biscuits. Okay, so they will not enjoy being at your home. And fourth option is a tricky option. So maybe there are certain things that you want to eat, but your wife is not providing you. So you will tell her that this is what the auditors want, and this is what is required to keep them happy. And then you'll get that inserted in the menu for those days.
Okay, but the auditor won't go, right? He will remain.
Oh, but you'll get your work done, so you'll तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा.
ऐसा है ना? I guess I'll go with 2 and 4. So my daughter plays the bass. So
Okay.
I can easily call her whole gang to have a food happening at home. I'm sure that is how it will be.
Okay. Good.
And of course, I'm a foodie, so eating another one.
Okay. Great. So let's move ahead then. Okay, now I have a question for the ladies. So, before this lockdown started, you would have done some shopping. And one of the things that you purchased is a nice set of beautiful high heel sandals. Right? Everyone has high heel sandals? Yeah? It's a must. It's a must actually. होना जरूरी है. Okay. But now those fancy sandals, those expensive high heel sandals are sitting at home idle. Okay. How will you use them? That's the question. How will you use them if the lockdown continues for a long time? So you have 4 options. You'll put them in the showcase with some nice focus lights and all to remind you of the good days of the shopping that you did. Okay. You will use those sandals while cleaning the ceiling fans and ceiling and those kind of things to give you that added height. You can reach the ceiling. Third option, you don't see any use for them, but you really are lusting for the very comfortable sandals that your husband has. You will do a force exchange. You will give him your sandals, and you will take his comfortable sandals. And fourth option, this is also interesting. You can't wear the sandals, high heel sandals during the day. So you'll wear those sandals at night when you go to sleep. So you'll sleep in your high heel sandals. Option number 4. So ladies, which one would you like to put your high heel sandals? How will you use them best during the lockdown?
I guess I'll use it for second option. If you're at home and you always have to do the calls at home, shows at home, you might as well feel good about it and use it.
Okay, so पैसा वसूल हो रहा है. ठीक है. Okay, good option. Priya.
Well, I think first option will be best because none of the other options are viable. So I can go with the first option, nicely put them in showcase with the focus lights on.
चलो, so you have 1 week to do that. अगर लॉकडाउन गिफ्ट नहीं है तो 17 तारीख को so we'll see your sandals in your showcase.
Yeah, send us a picture of the showcase.
Yeah, we'll all wait for that.
So you can incorporate that in your house.
नहीं, पहले तो एक शोकेस करना पड़ेगा एक।
मैं भी वही करूंगी, शोकेस में ही डालूंगी बिकॉज देखूंगी रोज उसको एंड आई लाइक अच्छा है कि फोकस लाइट।
तो उसकी वजह से बजट विल गो फॉर अ टॉस।
नहीं शोकेस नहीं, वो पीछे मेरा बुद्धा दिख रहा है, बुद्धा, उसको बुद्धा को
छुपा मत देना, बुद्धा को भी विजिबल रखना।
अनूप, द थिंग इज दैट, आई मीन, एक शोकेस करने जाओगे ना, तो जैसे ही आई मीन दैट शोकेस यू विल मेक, दूसरा शोकेस बनाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो कम पड़ेगा।
वो तो कोई दो राय नहीं है।
तो वार्डरोब के लिए भी जगह चाहिए, शोकेस के लिए भी जगह चाहिए, अब 5 BHK में मूव करना पड़ेगा। चलो, good answer. Let's go ahead. So after this lockdown is lifted, banking franchise is planning to organize a fashion show. Okay, so we'll invite bankers and their spouses both to participate. And so now what will happen? The men will choose what the woman will wear, and the woman will choose what their husbands will wear. Okay. So following are the choices for men to wear. So women have to choose, okay, what your husband will wear during the fashion show on the ramp. Catwalk karna hai, okay. So men's choices are Armani suit, okay, very rich traditional ethnic wear. Choice number 3, sports wear, and choice number 4, military uniform. So ladies, what will you choose? Sports, military, ethnic, or Armani suit? Priya, why don't you start?
Armani suit, definitely.
Armani suit, okay, okay. है कि बनवाना पड़ेगा?
वैसे तो बहुत है, इसके लिए स्पेशल बनवाना पड़ेगा।
बनवाना पड़ेगा, okay. चलो, Sanjay, one suit coming your way.
No, I think, I mean, ethnic wear probably will make a lot of sense because that will give you some kind of a feel also of difference from others. So ethnic wear probably will be my choice.
Okay, no, but this is not your choice. This is wife's choice. I am going to give you a choice when it comes to what your wife is going to wear.
Okay.
There you can apply your full technology.
No problem.
Okay. Jyoti, what is your choice for Rahul?
I'll go for sportswear because I feel that he really feels very comfortable if he's, in casual and comfortable clothes. It is best. So,
Okay.
in the fashion show.
Good choice. Rahul, next time we want to see you in
Sportswear, right?
sportswear mein.
So
Correct.
tired now. The whole day wearing shirts only in office.
I didn't get. Can you repeat that, Jyoti?
Every day at work wearing shirts only. So
Okay.
cringe.
Okay, good.
Anup would be
Seema?
very high in sportswear. That's because
Sportswear.
is his forte. He's been doing that since I've seen him. He's always gymming around.
Okay.
So I think sports is something which is good for him.
ठीक है, चलो, that's good.
V-neck.
V-neck.
Now I need to talk to you separately.
Okay.
Talking to it. Hello, Rahul.
Now we reverse it. Now we go to the guys, and you have to choose the dress for your wife. Okay. So option number 1, nice shining sari. Okay. Glamorous sari. Option 2, full length gown. Okay. Option 3, sportswear. And option 4, beachwear. Seashore beachwear. ऑप्शन है भाई, क्या करें?
Option है, बराबर.
दुकान चलानी है कुछ लोगों को, so you have to choose. So let's start with the Anup.
I'll go with the sari.
Sari, okay. Are you going to buy a new one or existing stock से काम चलाओगे?
That is something which you need to ask.
I will use the old stock.
बहुत सारी है इसलिए.
नहीं, so it shows that Anup is so considerate about sustainable wardrobe. Correct, Anup? That is the strategy. Sanjay,
No, I also will go with sari. The reason is there are already 3 or 4 not even opened and used. So at least we
आप
can-
budgeting कर रहे हैं. Everyone is saying budgeting, huh?
नहीं, so he's making sure they get used. संजय का मतलब वो है, क्लियर है, यूज होना चाहिए, जो भी है यूज होना चाहिए.
ROI पूरा चाहिए, ROI पूरा.
और नहीं तो उसका कर्टन बना के लटकाना पड़ेगा ना संजय.
Correct.
Okay, Rahul.
Yeah, I think even I'll go with the sari. Though it looks monotonous, but yeah, because she loves wearing sari, and
Okay.
she probably wears them very few times a year because she's mostly Western wear, and she loves wearing sari. So I think I would go with the sari option.
So banking friends should do a sari fashion show now.
Sorry, fashion.
Hit हो जाएगा. Good, yeah, good answer, fun.
Western countries होगा तो फिर then I mean option 4 will be chosen, but यहाँ पे तो
कोई भी वेस्टर्न माइंडेड नहीं है, आप सब लोग एकदम ट्रेडिशनल हो.
No, he didn't give the option with the mask, right? If that option came, then we would have thought of it.
So we can try doing this fashion show in Paris or something if you're interested. Then you can choose a different set of options.
वहाँ जाकर क्वारंटाइन होना पड़ेगा पहले भी.
हाँ, क्वारंटाइन थोड़ा माइंड चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Mind change.
हाँ. But good, I think we're having fun so far.
Yeah.
Yep.
Acha, one more. We had one question on auditing. Now we go to question on compliance. Okay. So there are. ध्यान से सुनिए.
यार ये कंट्रोल फंक्शन को भूलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. तो याद आ रहा है.
नहीं, अब ये क्वेश्चन सुनोगे ना तो तुम्हें पता चलेगा क्या हो रहा है रियली. Okay. So this is actually an eye opener. So there are reports that RBI is seriously concerned that its regulations may get superseded at home. Okay. And to reassure RBI that there is no such risk, you gentlemen can take one of these 4 steps. Okay. Step number 1, option number 1. You can ask your wife to submit a monthly compliance report about your personal compliance to RBI. Then RBI will be assured कि हाँ घर पे सब ठीक ठाक है, bank is okay. RBI's control is not diluted. Okay. Second, you'll ask RBI to be considerate and relax some guidelines for those bankers who are working at home. Third option, you'll ask RBI to form a committee to look into the compliance challenges at home and to come out with some reasonable practical solutions. Okay. And fourth option, this is an interesting option. You'll hide all the compliance reporting from your wife at home because there is a real danger that she'll find something interesting in there and she'll apply those techniques at home on you. So, how will you handle RBI compliance? Monthly reporting by your wife, committee, relaxation of guidelines, or keep it all secret from your wife?
Very
So,
tough.
Rahul, why don't you start?
Yeah.
Give the other bankers the time to think.
Yeah, so keep it from the wife because I don't want any more complaints on me.
Okay. Sanjay.
No, I think the fourth option probably will be the one which I'll go for.
Okay. ऑफिस के सीक्रेट्स ऑफिस में ही रखो सब. करेक्ट.
आपने इम्प्लीमेंट करते भी हो गए तो दो बार कंप्लेंट करना पड़ेगा ऑफिस में.
डबल हो जाएगा काम.
Double.
Let's hear from Anup.
So I'll ask RBI to take compliance from my wife. Reason being multi kind of solutions to this approach. First, wife will come to know how complicated our work environment is. तो अगर compliance कर रहा है तो पता चलेगा. दूसरा फंडा is if you can't convince RBI, confuse them. So let my wife confuse them.
Good one, Amit. Good one.
Good one. So, why, Seema, you're going to be the next chief compliance officer for Yes Bank.
हो गया फिर.
Chalo, ठीक है, good, yeah, good choices. Okay, let's get back to the woman. So there's a saying in English, a very popular saying, that the easiest way for a woman to a man's heart is through his stomach. Right? सुना है सबने? सुना?
Yeah.
Agree with it? Makes sense?
Yes.
Okay. ठीक है. So now that you've agreed it with it, you also know that you spend a very little money needs to be spent on food, right? Roti, dal, chawal, bhindi, tore, whatever. But clearly, women like to spend a lot of money on jewelry, on clothes, on expensive perfumes, on high heel sandals, all those kind of things. Correct? So, kyo is the question. So there could be 4 possible answers. Okay, ladies. One is you like men to have expensive tastes, just like yourself. You don't want to men just survive on bare minimum roti, sabji, dal, chawal. Okay. You like men to be a little more expensive. Secondly, it is actually very hard to keep feeding a man good food and keep him satisfied. So perhaps there's a good chance you can get away by showing off some expensive clothes and fancy jewelry and things like that. So it's much easier. So beautiful clothes are much easier than tasty food. You need to buy it once. Whereas tasty food you have to prepare day and day, again and again, every day in a hot kitchen or wherever. So it's not easy. And new men now are at home, you must probably see how difficult life it is in the kitchen. Then option number 3. Now, ladies, since the man has already made so far a big investment in clothes and jewelry and diamonds and perfumes and fancy accessories on you, he's bound to keep paying attention on you. It's like investing in the share market. If you buy 20 lakhs worth of shares of particular company, you keep watching that company every day. Whereas if you have invested only 20,000 in that company, oh, theek hai yaar, you see that once in a while. So by by getting a husband to invest a lot in all these expensive things, you got his attention. Okay, now he cannot leave you, cannot take his attention away from you. It's like a what is called in economics as a sunk investment. तो
मनोज
पैसा
यार,
गया, पैसा
अगर वो
डूब गया.
ज्वेलरी पहने तो चले देखें, वो लेके सीधा अंदर ड्रॉर में जाता है, फिर कभी 2 साल में एक बार निकलता है.
So you have to find occasions. So let me also give you the 4th option.
Occasions. The bank doesn't give occasions. They work.
Bank.
So occasions won't come here.
ठीक है, अगली बार ये कॉमेडी शो विद फैशन चोले करते हैं. So you can wear all your fancy clothes and jewelry. Now 4th option. So food is plan A, and jewelry and clothes and all that is nothing but plan B. So if plan A fails, you always have plan B. So what if it is so expensive? At least it will work, right? So that's the 4th option. So who would like to choose? Dhruti, would you like to start off?
Sure.
What option appeals to you?
Sure. I think the 4th option, the food is the basic necessity that should be, going good. We like what we make, the lovely salad. And फिर तो plan B is always a contingency plan should always be.
Chalo, so Dhruti got the safe option, plan A and plan B. Badhiya. Seema, what do you say?
I think I'll also go with the 4th one because food to always Anup to is very fond of food. Khali
Foodie
food
hai,
mein
okay.
dessert he is very fond of. It doesn't go without the dessert every day. So plan B, so hey, I mean, if that's a mutual understanding. So
Okay.
So that he has to invest in that, and I invest in that.
Okay. So Rahul and Anup, there's plan B sitting on your head. Okay. Sanjay,
Yeah, Priya.
No, so sorry. Priya. Priya has to.
Yes. I
Which
think
one?
both options is right, but third option is also good. Third option is also good.
Third option is also good. Okay, okay. तो प्रिया के अंदर एक इकोनॉमिस्ट है, अच्छा, गुड इकोनॉमिस्ट.
ये टॉन्ट है तेरे पे.
Sanjay, you can ask her to take up some of the investing
That is
decisions.
what I was about to say.
मैं इतना बोलूंगा, अभी जो वैलेंटाइंस डे था फरवरी में व्हेन वी वर इन द सेशन, मतलब आई नो संजय जल्दी भाग गया था घर पे,
अच्छा.
मतलब नहीं यार आज कैसे भी करके. आई रिमेम्बर वी वर एट आईटीसी एंड मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी का भी. आपके लिए मैं लेके आया था. 14 इज आल्सो माय वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी, सो आई हैड बॉट सम पेस्ट्रीज फॉर यू.
Yeah.
You didn't leave early.
Yeah, that is it.
Point to be noted, Your Honor.
Yes, I remember. You are right.
Everyone else, and then he didn't leave early.
I bought pastries for you.
So Sanjay gets some bonus points for that, for leaving early.
Thank you.
Okay, this is a question again for the woman. If coronavirus was actually as big as a human being, इंसान जितना लंबा चौड़ा, how would you fight the coronavirus? Okay. Option 1, you learn karate and kung fu and all the martial arts, judo and all that. Option 2, you'll give the corona lots of free cigarettes and alcohol, so it will finally die of cancer or something, lung cancer or something. Option 3, you'll give this corona lots of cold drinks and cakes and ice creams and junk food, so बेचारा diabetes से मर जाएगा. Okay. And option 4, you'll call these superheroes like Batman or Superman or Iron Man to fight corona for you. So which option would you like to take up? Priya, let's start with you.
Yes, I think I will go with the fourth option.
Okay.
Some superhero for myself.
So will you make a Batman type suit for Sanjay and put him?
Yes.
Superman.
Superman मरेगा.
वो भी एक ऑप्शन है. सीक्रेट ऑप्शन. तो सुपरमैन की आइडेंटिटी सीक्रेट है ना संजय, नो वन विल कम टू नो. दिन में सीटी हो, रात में सुपरमैन हो.
No, but the thing is that, I mean, see, by making you Superman, a lot of credit is given, but at the same time, अकेले को ही लड़ना है, बाकी कोई आएगा नहीं.
करेक्ट.
जिसको लड़ना है उसको अकेले नहीं लड़ना.
तुम्हें ताली मिलेगी, बहुत सारी ताली बजाएंगे लोग. Seema, what do you say?
I think everyone should become a superhero themselves and start fighting. The first option.
First option, karate kung fu. Okay, okay. Already कुछ सीखा है कि नहीं?
I mean, I can fight with Anup.
Okay. तो अनूप से झगड़ ले तो फिर कोरोना से क्या डरना?
अफसोस करती है, उसके बेटे को ब्लैक बेल्ट बना के रखा हुआ है.
मेरा बेटा ब्लैक बेल्ट है.
Oh wow. Okay. Awesome. Dhruti, what is your choice?
I guess I'll go with the second one, and I'll be a little nutty because usually alcohol is supposed because of the devastation that they have to work, you better have that. And people are dying in such bad way, we should be treated the same way.
Painful death. Okay, good one. Good. You guys agree with your wife's choices?
As long as it's out, it's fine.
Okay.
बाजू में बिठा के पूछ रहे हो.
तो redundant question हो गया.
नहीं, उसमें कोई ऑप्शन ही, आंसर ही नहीं, एक ही आंसर है. चॉइस थोड़ी है.
Whatever Home Minister decides is the right answer. Chalo. Let's get back to the men then. So what aspect of office meeting do you miss the most while working at home? Okay. One is the continuous service of tea, coffee, biscuits, soft drinks, juices, whatever they used to get in office. Maybe घर पे कुछ restriction हो, I don't know किसके घर पे क्या है. Okay. Showing off your latest suits and jackets to your office colleagues. नया shirt, नया jacket, जो भी, whatever you like to wear. Telling your team members the importance of time while continuously pointing to your Swiss watch. Time पे ध्यान दो, time पे ध्यान दो. If you are a watch fan. And fourth option is showing off new features that you've learned in PowerPoint or whatever software that you use. So what do you really enjoy? What do you really miss the most in office among these options? Clothes, khana pina, showing off your watch or something, and showing off to your boss what you've learned. Anup,
So I'll go with chai. Basically, when we have a chai, Rahul knows it. So हम बैठ के साथ में चाय पीते हैं. जब भी थे तभी. So we used to have this chit chat. तो जो goes with your previous question, gossip भी हो जाता है, politics भी हो जाता है, time pass भी हो जाता है.
और चाय पे चर्चा हो रहा है पूरा.
चाय पे चर्चा. पूरी दुनिया का चर्चा चाय पे चल रहा है अभी. हमारा देश का चर्चा चाय पे चलता है.
Correct.
हमारा भी
National drink हो गया चाय. Very good. Rahul, what is your thing?
I totally agree with Anup because we've had a lot of chai to culture in office. It's been amazing. But the other part of it is also that during meetings at home, I have to make my own coffee. At least there they will give me coffee on my table.
Rahul, can you speak a little slower because the voice is getting garbled?
Yeah, sure. So, but I agree with Anup totally because Anup and I have spent a lot of time in office over chai.
Okay.
And it's very memorable. So
Okay.
that of course. But just to add to that, when working from home, between meetings I have to make my own chai.
Okay.
So there at least I will get chai.
There you will get regular chai. Okay, good. Sanjay.
So just to add what Rahul and Anup said, I mean, that chai is definitely, but there are people who keep the time, time people aspect also. Whatever the time of the meeting and everything and all. So somebody who actually keeps watching, what is the time?
Okay.
is what is something missing? Yeah.
Okay. So meetings at home tend to get elongated, I guess. Okay. That's interesting. We need a time management technique there as well.
Yeah.
Cool. Interesting. I'm not going to ask the wives the same question, but what is your view on the tea, coffee habits of your husband? Who makes the tea at home? Who makes the tea at home? Very important question.
हमारे यहाँ optional है. It's optional. If tea is not made till certain time, then that guy enters the kitchen. Otherwise, tea बन जाएगा.
Okay. Jyoti, can you repeat a bit slowly?
I said he makes my tea, so I better not say anything.
Good one. So CTO will become Chief Tea Officer.
Yeah. Actually good.
So Sanjay, what kind of CTO are you?
No, I think I am very, I will not say strict, but during meetings and all, probably whatever, focus is on meeting, not on chai or anything of that sort.
Good.
At home also, whenever the kind of conferences which are going on, no disturbance. I mean, water is good enough. Not prefer. My intervals of chai or tea are pretty fixed.
चाय बनाता कौन है घर पे? वो पूछ रहा है मनोज.
नहीं, घर में भी वैसे ही है. Okay. Next question. कौन better चाय बनाता है?
एक काम करते हैं, लेकिन सबको बताते हैं कि हम एक काम करते हैं. So चाय जो बनाता है वो like the whole day Dhruti is working and Priya is working and I am working. वो बात नहीं है.
हाँ, समझ गया. घर पे सारा काम आप लोग करते हो.
सिर्फ चाय husband बनाते हैं. But the question is, who makes a better tea? किसकी चाय टेस्ट है? अनु अनु वाह.
We'll give you compliments.
Sanjay, Priya, who makes a better tea?
I make.
Priya. Sanjay, agreed? अच्छी लगती है?
Yes, I mean, agree in a sense because most of the time it's prepared by her.
Most?
नहीं यार, वो 1%.
होता क्या है 10 बार इन्होंने बनाया, मैंने एक ही बार अच्छा बनाने के बावजूद भी 10 बार जो बनाया वही इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है ना. तो एक बार बनेगा उसका कोई इतना इम्पोर्टेंस तो है नहीं. सही होता है. मैं एग्री.
Okay.
संजय गया, तू तो गया.
अभी काउंसलिंग इसके बाद
It's very सीधा and simple.
संजय एक simple answer देना था, वो बता सकती है बस.
वो ऐसा नहीं हो कि इस सेशन के बाद एक
Since you're making better tea, now you'll be interested in making the tea every day.
वो तो बाय डिफॉल्ट है. शो खत्म होने के बाद मैं आई विल बी इन द किचन.
First thing is Anup will have to rush into the kitchen. Already घड़ी देख रहा है, चाय का टाइम हो गया. चलो चलो आगे चलते हैं. ओके, तो 1 घंटा हो गया. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, ठीक है. So all of you have laughed a lot, right? If this video reaches your CEO, he is going to give you an additional responsibility, and that is the responsibility of Chief Laughter Officer for your bank or for your company. So are you ready, Sanjay, Rahul, Anup, to take the responsibility of Chief Laughter Officer for your organization?
So it will be fun to really play that role. Okay, but what will happen is that after some time, you will become the laughing stock. If you become so people will start laughing at you instead of laughing with you.
With love. That's a risk.
That is the kind of possibility. So I will take it maybe not from a permanent perspective. Once in a while, it is okay as a laughter officer, not on a permanent kind of thing.
Okay, ठीक है. That's an interesting answer. Rahul, what do you say?
I totally agree. If you can make people laugh, I think it's a big thing. Because it's always, people are always having their own problems and so on. So if you can make them laugh, it's amazing.
So you ready to take up that challenge?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. 24 months. Or part-time, full-time?
But yeah.
12 months, I mean.
Yeah.
Ongoing. Chalo, good,
At the
good.
moment, we are anyways working 18 hours. Don't make this 24 hours.
Okay, okay. Anup, what do you say?
अरे थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. I can laugh, but I can't make people laugh.
अच्छा.
So थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा, but yeah, I'm okay to take the challenge.
ट्राई करो. ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है?
Absolutely.
नहीं अच्छा लगा तो she will pass it on to someone else. So wives, how are you going to assist your husband in that new role of Chief Laughter Officer?
New role.
We already been assigned the role.
I can help them with some content. Slowly.
Can you repeat slowly?
I should also help them with some content.
Okay, okay. Good. Priya, how will you help?
Maybe I was taking comedy shows.
Okay. And Seema, you have some homeopathic solution for Anup?
Anup. I'll tell him to look little more relaxed and cool in front of people. They'll start laughing, I guess. It's like a stern look. So then
Okay.
comes more seriousness to the whole persona of Anup. But once he starts laughing, I think people will laugh at him.
Okay. So actually, it's not so difficult to
That's it.
become a Chief Laughter Officer. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाता है. I used to be a very serious person. Whoever interacted with me during conferences or elsewhere have generally seen that I'm very focused on the round table or the conference or whatever. But there was always a funny person hidden within me, and that has finally come out. So maybe there is some such talent within you. So this is the time to get it out. Lockdown is the best opportunity. Someone may be a singer, someone may be a dancer. I always think Anup Purohit के अंदर शायद एक अनूप जलोटा होगा जो गजल वगल सुनाता होगा सीमा को.
When we meet next time, we'll have to talk.
Sure.
तो है क्या अनूप ऐसा कोई अनूप जलोटा? 9 to 5 9 to 5 Anup Purohit, 5 to 9 Anup Jalota.
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है अभी भी.
नहीं है. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना, अपना थ्रोट का गले का एक्सरे करो, पता चलेगा कुछ है क्या अनूप जलोटा उसमें. ठीक है. चलो, this fun guys. Anyone wants to say anything?
No, one compliment to you and also Banking Frontier for bringing up this lighter moment, and also Anup and Rajesh, meeting both of you with your better half. And हम लोग सोच के भी personally जो मिले हैं, I mean, we could not have planned it even in the physical world. But thanks for bringing us together, and it was wonderful to share and also to laugh, as you rightly said. And first of all, making right participate. All the time, even on virtual conferences, we are participating. But this was kind of a thing, and from an idea perspective that also asking guys to participate, and I hope they must have felt it far more better to see how to participate in a conference and all. And I will ask Priya to say something if you want.
Yeah, Priya, what did you feel? Were you scared before starting this?
Yes, before starting, I was a bit scared because I have never participated in any conference and all. But then it was fun experience and very nice meeting you all. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
I think we can call this like a kitty party. तो डरने क्या? Couples का kitty party.
No, this was great fun. Thank you, Manoj, for organizing this. It was really good fun. I think, the meeting online. Usually our online meetings are very serious. We are always having, focused discussions. It was a good writing note. It was excellent. Thank you for this.
Thank you. I had fun. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Jyoti.
Thank you very much. It was a nice Sunday afternoon session before the work tomorrow, and quite fun and realistic. Very
Good.
Thank you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Seema.
So thanks, Manoj. I think this is a very innovative idea, particularly during the stress time, to kind of get few of us together and have a very lighter moment. I think this is a good initiative. I know it becomes difficult in our day-to-day life. I know. I mean, talking. जब भी मैं और संजय मिलते हैं तो we think नहीं मैं इसके ऑफिस में आके मिलूंगा या he says he'll come to India Pulse and कभी नहीं हो पाता है. So I think thanks. It's a great initiative. Keep it up.
Great. Thank you.
Really nice. Thanks. And it made very light. The stress around feels little lighter and more happy. Because everyone talks about only Corona the moment you...
I know.
Very nice. And it was very nice meeting you, all of you. Thank you.
Good. I also had a lot of fun. I mean, it was really fun. I don't know how that 1 hour passed for me.
Yeah.
पता भी नहीं चला. So that was great. तो हमारा नया motto, first Banking Frontiers 1.0 का motto था sharing knowledge. Banking Frontiers 2.0 का motto sharing knowledge plus sharing happiness. So I think that's a new journey for us also.
Wonderful.
Enjoying it. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Sunday.
Bye.
Be in touch.
Anything?